Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to recommend you 5 eyeshadow palettes which are well under budget, exactly under 250 rupees. I'll share the link also in the description box as to where you can buy them from. These are not like, these are not the eyeshadows lying on my vanity just like that, and I'm here just to recommend. This has been well used for around a year, in fact more than that. I have been using this for around year and a half, you can say, and amongst which I have actually come up with 5 particular eyeshadows which you can buy well under 250 rupees. So these are all tried and tested. You need to not worry about the pigmentation payoff, longevity and everything. So yeah, let's get it started. The first and foremost, my very favorite palette is this Beauty People Blown Out eyeshadow palette. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. It has beautiful sections of colors. If you do not want to invest much, I have a detailed review on this particular palette. Like basically, if you do not want to invest much in eyeshadow, blusher, bronzer, etc., trust me, this particular has this 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades which are beautiful mattes. If you can see, I've actually hit the pan of this particular blue as well. I have hit the pan. I rarely hit the pan of eyeshadow palettes because I have plenty of eyeshadow palettes right at the moment. So I keep on hopping into this, into that, and that, into this. So yeah, this particular I reach out to pretty much. So I've already hit the palette of blue because this has a beautiful pigmentation. The green equally looks very beautiful. It's not just for colorful looks. There are 2 highlighting shade. In fact, for all sort of in skin tones, you have highlighting shades. And the shimmers are not chunky glitters. You can definitely wear them as a highlighter. I just have that as a highlighter on my face because this palette is already always there in my everyday kind of thing. When I sit down and do color for eye look, and I always use this one. I love this orange color. Orange colors like hardly pop up, but this definitely pops in. And trust me not, kid you not, the price is very feasible. I'll mention here in the description. These are all well under 250 rupees. So yeah, this is the first palette which has almost everything. If you want this, you can use this as a bronzing shade as well, which I do normally. So yeah, this is the first palette I recommend under 250 rupees. I love it, love it, love it. I actually use it on a regular basis. Second, if you're a neutral sort of a person, you do like slight smoky eye, and if you want a little exaggeration while only on weddings and all, trust me, this is the one you're waiting for. This is Nicka K. This variant are like beautiful. I almost have all 6 variants of it, amongst which I have picked up 3 best for you so that you can use it for everyday things. This is Mocha Mix. This is Nicka K 9 color eyeshadow palette. This has this sort of a color story, like beautiful browns, and the shimmers are like kind of a foil eyeshadows but then pressed on it, like beautiful. It's like beautiful. This white helps you in blending your eyeshadows pretty much more. This has darkest brown, lightest brown, lightest brown, a little dark brown, so you can definitely create beautiful eye looks with this particular palette. This can be in everybody's vanity, I guess. So yeah, this is Nicka K Mocha Mix from Nicka K, of course. Now the third I would suggest, if you are, which I actually like but I'm not using it on a regular basis, I actually forgot about this palette, but this is such a versatile palette. I also do have a detailed review about this particular palette. This palette is from Hilary Rhoda. So yeah, this particular palette I have a detailed review on this one. If you have this, you need not do have anything, like not for a professional use for sure, but then if you're a college going student, or if you just want to try your hands on makeup, trust me, see the color story. This has beautiful colors like pinks and browns and golden and rose gold, and every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmer shades. It has white, pink, beautiful. Like if you do not do eye makeup, like you just don't, this is like one of my influencer I follow, like I've done her this eye look inspired by her. But then this particular thing, like say for example, if I talk about this one, if you do not do any kind of an eye makeup, if you just take this one, rub it into your eyes like this, just spread it nice and well, and then put on your liners and everything, boom, you are ready to go. Yes, not only this particular thing has a mirror. You can see it has a decent size mirror. It has a blusher, highlighter, and a compact shade as well. This compact shade is pretty wide, like it does not suit me for sure, but then if you pack a little, that might work. And this highlighting shade does not work as in highlighting because this is too orange or too yellowish according to me. But then if you want to write, like I just said, if you just have this on your eyes, just blend it nice and well, just deepen it up in the crease area here like this, you know, and put your liners and all, you're good to go. And the pigmentation, you can see this is my front camera, it's still picking up this much of pigment, like, you need to trust me. And this is also pretty pigmented. This has blusher as well. You need less is more in this case. I really love one blusher I use on a regular basis, which is also a very local brand. This almost reminds me of that. So this Hilary Rhoda kit retails for well under 250 rupees. This is one and done kind of an eyeshadow palette where you have blusher, bronzer, highlighter. If you do not want to use this particular golden shade for the highlighter, you can definitely use this shade if you are my skin tone. If you're a little duskier skin tone, we have a lot of it. And the shimmers out here, kid you not, this has no chunkiness into it at all. If you can see, like, you know, no chunkiness. It does not have any sort of, can you see that? It does not have any chunkiness. If you apply this on your whatever like highlighting areas and all, it will not have that chunky glitters which will look bad on it. So this is the third I would definitely recommend. The fourth, if you like little bit colorful, depends on like greens and purples and all, I have this one for you. This is Nicka K 9 color eyeshadow palette, Under the Sea. This has beautiful yellows, brown, greens, and this shimmers has little bit of I don't know, this has like kind of a foil but not a proper foil. Can you see that? I mean, like, what do you want more in 250 rupees? This is like almost everything. Like, you know, if you go like little bit colorful, if you wear more of a colorful outfits, you like your eye makeups to be colorful, you can definitely try this one. This is yellow, browns, orange, burnt orange and greens, and it does have this purple mauve shade as well, which is matte, which is like quite chalky. I don't like it, but then rest are beautiful. You can judge by the pigmentation you can see in my hand for the shimmers already. So this is the fourth one. Last one, which is my personal favorite, but I don't reach it to more often, but I'm definitely gonna keep it in my daily thing. This is Birthday Cake palette from Nicka K. This is like okay, one thing also I would like to tell you is, like, see, this has this sort of a color story. Can you see this blue? Like, it hits my soul, you know, like hits my soul. This only has 3 mattes, rest are all shimmers. Can you see that? You don't get this in high-end palettes also, as I guess. Like, these are beautiful. And this has this naughty pink and this pink and this pink and pink. Why I'm suggesting you this particular Nicka K eyeshadow palettes are because these are so beginner friendly. If you see in each and every palette, it has written this B, E, B, B, E, E, B, E, E, B. Now, almost all the eyeshadows has that. That means, like, B, you can use this for blush, like, you know, like first color, like this first is B. You can use this as a blush as well as an eye as well. Now second is E. This is just for eyes. B, E. So this is like, you know, like you can use it as a blush, you can use it as an eye. So it depends on it. So these are the 5 top favorite packs I have corded for you for well under 250 rupees. I'm gonna give you a quite gist of it. First and foremost, always and always, this will be Beauty People Blowout eyeshadow palette. Second would definitely be Mocha Mix from Nicka K eyeshadow palette for neutral to smoky eyes. Third is definitely Hilary Rhoda one makeup kit. So this one. And the fourth one is definitely Under the Sea, the shimmers here, or the satin what do you call it? Satin, what do you call it? Not satin. Pans, like, you know. Color shimmers are beautiful out here. You can definitely try Under the Sea if you are into colorful looks. And if you are like into naughty pink or beautiful pink, you know what I mean? So you can definitely go for birthday cakes. This is also a must. You know, like, these are beautiful. You will definitely not regret buying this particular eyeshadows for 200, in fact less than that, 250 rupees or less. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very soon I'm gonna come up with one video where, you know, like eyeshadow palettes I have tried over the years. It didn't work for me. It is like quite pretty expensive, but mostly because of like down sale and all. Nowadays you see a lot of discount. People will buy that. Actually, me, I buy it when it is in heavy discount, like 70%. Even if I do not need it, I buy it. but then at the end of the day we end up not using it. That 70% less amount also, whatever amount, 30% amount we paid, that will go into gain. So I'm definitely gonna come up with another eyeshadow palettes very soon, where I would say do not buy, kind of, it didn't work for me. So as of now, these are the 5 palettes you can vouch on. So thank you very much for stopping by. We will meet very soon in our next video. Till then, you do take care of yourself, and we'll meet soon in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.